Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have messages open, so pick the person who should get the audio. Press and hold the microphone icon to start recording. This records in real time, which is faster than typing. If you need both hands free, swipe the mic up to lock recording and continue speaking until you finish. Once done, you'll see playback and send controls appear. Make sure to listen briefly so you're happy with the take before moving on. You've recorded, now check it. Tap the play button to preview the clip so you catch mistakes or background noise. If it's not right, tap the X to discard and record again, or swipe left to delete the draft entirely. This avoids sending accidental content. You can also add a short text caption in the message field for context, or tap the effects icon to adjust tone. Once satisfied, you'll be ready to send with a single tap. Tap the send arrow to deliver the audio message. It sends as an inline audio bubble the recipient can tap to play. After sending, long press the audio bubble to save, forward, or delete it from your conversation. If the recording won't start, make sure Messages has microphone permission in Settings Privacy Microphone, and then restart the app. If problems persist, reboot your iPhone. This fixes most permission or temporary software issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.